Let's play with hair this time. Well, we have hair as a consonant that we want to try with these vowels. So let's follow the pattern, and there's something that I will tell you at the end. Let's start with a. I have this one that you know. You just repeat it with me because I know that you know. So first this one, always at the beginning, never attached to anything. And then I have my consonant he. Why? Because they don't want to attach. So a. Why I read a first? Because I wrote it first. So first a, then he. A, together. A. What about this one? Yes, comes in the middle or at the end of a word. It comes right here. Why did I use the lowercase one? Because they want to attach to each other. So first he, then a. A, together. Ha, ha. Now this one. This big one here comes always at the beginning, never attached to anything. First read a, then a, together. Ah, ah. Now this one always comes in the middle of a word and jumps right up any consonant that it likes and makes it sound like itself. All these three. So this one comes and jumps on the lowercase he and make it sound like as. So a, together. Ha, ha. Now this one. This one comes at the beginning, never attached to anything. First e, then he. E, together. E, This one comes down there under a lowercase he. Together. He. This one comes at the beginning, never attached to anything. O, together. O. This O jumps right up there. O, together. Ho. This one comes at the beginning, never attached to anything, because we know that U doesn't attach from the front, it attaches from back, like this one. So when this is here, as there's something back there, so it's only front available, so I have my hair in front. So I write it here, and then I have my capital he. U, together. U. This one, as we know, this one comes in the middle or at the end, comes at the end and attaches to the lowercase he because they both want to. So oo, together. Hoo, like the sound that wind makes. This tricky one. This one we know always at the beginning, always attached from here. This one, always at the middle, always attached from here, sometimes attached from here. This one, always at the end, sometimes attached, sometimes doesn't. When this one comes here, he changes its form. Why? Because we want to change it as it has to attach. There's no other way. It has to. It has to attach, and moreover, it has to keep everything finished, you know? It has to be a finishing point here. So I had two types of hair. This one we know doesn't attach from anywhere. This one we know attaches, but it comes either in the middle, something can attach here and here. But when something attaches from here, it can't be alone. There should be something here. So I need another form of he, another form that can attach from here, but finish from here. Not this one, not this one, so it transforms to this form. Look here, it can attach from back, but can be free from the other side. Look. And it's really easy to write, you know? Something like comes up and a head, like a head of a dinosaur, something like that. Look, of course, we will learn it very well in the next season when we want to try to make words. Don't worry about that. I just want you to get more familiar with this, okay? So when I want to finish a word, I need to have a he and it has to attach from back. It transforms to this. So now I have e and then he. So together, e, e. And we know that one. Well, I have my normal lowercase he or small he, and then I have this one which likes to attach. So as the result, e, together, he, there, as easy as that. Well, for next session, one page for each one of them, and as you write it down, you read it because we want to practice from here, here, and here. Maximum learning. And when you did it, comment for me and let me know you did it. If you had any questions, just ask me in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and see you guys next session, which is our last session for this season. Bye.